guys, we're currently in Antipolo City. We're bound to Tanay. We're here. This is Riz, this is Tere, and Kyle. This is Kyle's birthday. It's Kyle's birthday today. Happy birthday, Kyle. So, what are you feeling right now? This is your first time here, right? How are you feeling?
Yes.
Are you excited? Huh?
Yes.
Oh, so this is the first time that you've seen this place, no?
Yes.
Oh, greet mo yung mga greet mo yung mga tao. Tingin ka doon sa camera, greet mo yung mga tao. Oh, thank everyone for greeting you a happy birthday. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, po.
Yeah, very good. Ayan, ayan. Message pala, message. O, sige. O, yan. So, this is your first time. So, I wish that you will have a great adventure ahead of you. You're 11 years old. So, there's a lot to learn and to experience. So, just take it easy and enjoy. Happy birthday.
Ayan, lakas ng hangin. Paano ka magdo-drone? Diba?
Hey ma'am, morning.
Morning po.
Hi ma'am, sir, excuse me, if you decided about to order paris for na.
Yeah.
Yours.
Dito na lang, ha?
Apo, apo.
Okay, thanks. We are here. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. This is Riz, and we are here in Wendell's Alfresco here in Tanay Rizal, celebrating Kyle's birthday. So there's Kyle. Kyle, happy birthday! Love you.
Thank you.
And there's Tere, and then we ordered some stuff. We tried some of the delicacies and some of the specialties by Wendell's. So we got beef tapa, then we got the chick silog, then the what's this, Wendell's burger and the chips, and this one is the kansi. So we're gonna try and we're gonna check them out, and we're gonna try to eat them all together. So yeah, we'll see you later.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish. Happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Ano, what can you say, Kyle? Oh? Binati ka nila.
Thank you.
Sobrang nakakatuwa dito, guys. Kasi ano, ngayon na lang ulit kami nagkaroon ng opportunity na makalabas. And masasabi ko na this was one great ride. Kasi first time namin nasama si Kyle sa ride namin. And nataon din na birthday din ni Kyle. So we took the opportunity na to celebrate his birthday. Na-bless tayo ng opportunity ng ganito, magkaroon ng experience ng ito. Alam mo, hindi na naman namin makakalimutan itong araw na to. So I would also like to take this opportunity to thank yung management ng Windles Alfresco for for gracing us today. Maraming salamat po, at we'll definitely be coming back again here. Maraming salamat din po sa inyo sa pagpapanood ng mga videos ko, and I hope that we still have more time to ride together and bond. At sasama namin kayo parati sa mga trips namin ni Tere at ni Kyle. So ayan. Okay, hi guys, good morning. This is Riz from Riz Salonga Vlogs, and this is the second part of our vlog and our travel for today. Kasama ko si Tere, ayon, at saka si Kyle, ayon. At nandito po kami ngayon sa Pine Tree Hills Farm. About this place, guys, itong Pine Tree Hills Farm ay makikita dito po sa Tanay, Rizal. Along Marilaki Highway lang. So kanina, after naming mag-breakfast sa Windles Alfresco, napag-usapan namin tatlo, ako at saka ni Kyle at saka ni Tere, na maglibot pa kasi ang aga pa 10:30 pa lang natapos na kami. So since dito na kami sa Tanay, it was a great opportunity for us to roam around and visit yung mga places. And ito yung isa sa mga nakita namin na lugar na potential namin puntahan. 150 entrance dito, guys, per head. Tapos kung meron kang dalang sasakyan, pwede mong gamitin itong parking. Ayan, yung sasakyan. Tapos ang kapalit ng 150 ay ayan. Kitang-kita mo yung view ng mountain ranges ng San Mateo, then may Antipolo. Then from dun sa part na yun, makikita nyo yun, parang tubig. Ayan, yung tubig na yan. May tubig na part yan. Ano na po yan, Laguna na yan. So, sobrang sulit yung pagpunta namin dito. Ayan. Guys, isang quick na pakita ko lang sa inyo yung view ng mountain ranges dito. Ayan pala si Tere. Hi Tere. Shout out. And this si Kyle. Hi Kyle.
Hello.
Ayan, so ayan guys, ito. Ito po yung mismong view ng lugar na to. Tapos sa baba meron silang parang mga gazebo area na parang overlooking. Tapos ayan guys, ito mountain ranges po to ng ng San Mateo. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, yan San Mateo yan. Then yung likod niyan, Quezon. Yan. Tapos ipapan natin dito. Ayan, kung makikita nyo yan, itong part na to, yan. I-zoom in pa natin kung kakayanin. Ayan, hindi na siya makita, pero ano yan, Laguna de Bay yan guys. So Laguna na po yan. So ayan, perfect na perfect siya guys na lugar para sa mga tao na naghahanap ng tahimik na lugar, away sa mga busy na lugar or mga high-end na lugar, ganyan. So this is the place na marirecommend ko sa inyo kung kayo yung mga tipo ng mga busy bee at kailangan nyo mag-reset sa buhay nyo at magnilay-nilay. Ito yung isa sa magandang masasuggest ko sa inyong lugar na puntahan so that you can be refreshed. Sobrang lamig, presko ng hangin, ang tahimik, walang makikialam sa yung tao anong gagawin mo dito. At sa labas naman makikita mo siya, highway siya, so may mga motor ganyan, so marilaki kasi. But anyway, ayan, sobrang sulit dito.
Bye.